In this video, we're making this delicious banana bread with a twist of chocolatey goodness. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. First, you're going to grease and line your pan and set that aside. Then to your flour, add in the cinnamon powder, baking powder, and the baking soda. Mix it all till it's well combined. Then to your chocolate chunks, or you can even use chocolate chips, just add some of the flour mixture and mix it up. You just want to coat them so they do not sink to the bottom while baking. Then in another bowl, take the powdered sugar and the butter. And then beat this for 3 to 4 minutes till light and fluffy. Then you're going to add in the eggs and beat them in for about 2 minutes. Then add in the mashed bananas and the vanilla extract and beat them in just till combined. Then you're going to add in the flour mixture and just beat it very gently for about a few seconds. Then you're going to add in the milk and then continue beating on low speed just for a few seconds more. Make sure not to overbeat this. Then switch to a spatula and continue mixing any dry flour. Then add in the chocolate chunks or the chocolate chips and mix those in as well. And your batter is ready. Just pour it into a prepared pan and spread it out evenly. And then bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 55 to 60 minutes. Keep an eye on it and make sure it does not overbake. The crust should be golden brown and a toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean. And let it cool for a bit. Once the cake is cool enough, you can run a knife at the edges and take it out of the pan. And then cut it into slices and serve it with some tea or coffee. Or just eat it as is, honestly. The combination of the banana and the chocolate is just absolutely heavenly, and this tastes just so good, especially on a rainy afternoon with a cup of coffee. The cake is super moist, soft and fluffy, as you can see. I really do hope you try this recipe out. Subscribe for more recipes and I will see you soon. Bye!